Good morning, boys and girls. Hello, hello, hello. Do 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 do. How are you? Do 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 do. Did you wash your face and brush your teeth? Do 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 do. Did you comb your hair and dress yourself? Do 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 do. Hello, hello, hello. Do 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 do. Boom. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 I'm fine, I'm fine. I hope that you are too. I'm fine. I'm fine. I hope that you are too. Again, good morning, boys and girls. Here's Miss Golden back with another read aloud. I'm going to share a book today with you called Baby Farm Animals by Garth Williams. A very nice book that's going to be talking about baby farm animals. So sit back and enjoy. Thank you. Baby sheep is called a lamb. He likes to run in the grass that grows in the meadow. Baby cats are called kittens. They love playing on the farm. At night, the farmer gives them cow's milk, and they curl up together in the big red barn. Baby rabbit lives in a hutch, which is her tiny little house. She sniffs noses with the kittens and puppies because they are all friends. Baby guinea pigs also have a hutch. Have you ever seen a guinea pig's tail? That rabbit has been up to some mischief, says the brown guinea pig. Baby donkey loves to eat juicy carrots. He is sitting down because he is tired. Somebody is trying to make him stand up and follow them with those carrots on the end of a stick. I know that trick, says the baby donkey. Baby ducks are called ducklings. They swim in the pond with their wide webbed feet. Why don't you come for a swim? They ask the little chicks. Baby chickens are called chicks. They cannot swim. Mother says we must look for worms and stay out of the water. Baby pigs are called piglets. They love clean straw to sleep on. A piglet digs with his nose, which is called a snout. If you pick him up or chase him, he will squeal for his mother, help, help, help. Baby dogs are called puppies. They stay in the stable close to the horses. They growl and bark at strangers. They pretend that the shoe is a big cat, so they growl and they bark at it. Baby goats are called kids, just as little boys and girls are. They try to knock each other down by butting their heads together. And their father has horns and a pointed head, a pointed beard. Oh my goodness. Baby swans are called cygnets. Now they are covered with smoke colored down, but soon they will have pure white long feathers. And baby goose is called a gosling. She will be a big gray goose someday. See her brother with his head under the water? He's looking for something to eat. A baby horse we call a foal. She could walk the same day she was born, but really human babies can't, huh? Now, after a week, she gallops. When she is 2 years old, she will be a beautiful horse, and she will be able to carry riders on her back and perhaps even win a race. Have you ever been on a horse or a pony before? A baby pony is taking kitten and puppy for a ride. He is a Shetland pony, so he will not grow very big. A baby cow is called a calf. She said, "Moo! It is time for lunch." The end. Wasn't that a nice story telling you all about baby farm animals? Very good. Well, guess what? Today is Friday, and Miss Golden read you 5 books. This makes number 5 this week. What I want you to do is to talk about this book to your mom, your dad, your brothers, or your sisters, and your family, and tell them which one of the books that you liked the most. Which one was your best story? Make sure to ask your parents and your family to read to you at home, because that's how we grow in reading, and that's one of the ways that we learn to read is by having people to read to us. So enjoy the books and the videos that I read to you this week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today, Friday. Visit the videos again. You can always watch them on my Facebook page or on my YouTube channel. So please enjoy, and I will see you on Monday. Okay? Goodbye.